भारतासयत संवसारांतल्या 170 देशांनी 21 जून संवसारीक योग दीस वांटो घेतलो। संवसारीक योगा दिसा निमतान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीन योगा फॉर ह्युमॅनिटी मनीसपणा खातीर योग हो मंत्र दिलो। मैसूर कर्नाटकांत आयोजीत केल्ल्या व्हड योगा दीस कार्यावळींत प्रधानमंत्री उलयले। संवसारांतल्या सगळ्या राजकी भलायकी आनी हेर प्रश्नांचेर योग हो एक तोडगो अशें प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीन सांगले। योग आता जिणेचो भाग न्हय तर जीण जाल्या अशें प्रधानमंत्री म्हणटा। पळयात संवसारीक योगा दिसाची ही काय खिणचित्रां।
थीम के जरिए योग के इस संदेश को पूरी मानवता तक पहुंचाने के लिए यूनाइटेड नेशंस का और सभी देशों का हृदय से धन्यवाद करता हूं। मैं दुनिया के सभी नागरिकों का भी सभी भारतीयों की तरफ से अभिनंदन करता हूं। साथियों, योग के लिए हमारे ऋषियों ने, हमारे महर्षियों ने, हमारे आचार्यों ने कहा है, शांतिम योगेन विंदति। इट मीन्स yoga brings peace for us. The peace from yoga is not only for individuals. Yoga brings peace to our society. Yoga brings peace to our nations and the world. And yoga brings peace to our universe. This might feel an extreme thought to someone, but our Indian sages have answered this with a simple mantra. Yat pinde tat brahmande. This whole universe starts from our own body and soul. The universe starts from us, and yoga makes us conscious of everything within us and builds a sense of awareness. It starts with self-awareness and proceeds to awareness of the world. When we become aware of ourselves and our world, we begin to spot things that need to be changed, both in ourselves and in the world. These may be individual lifestyle problems or global challenges like climate change and international conflicts. Yoga makes us conscious, competent, and compassionate towards these challenges. Millions of people with a common consciousness and consensus, millions of people with inner peace will create an environment of global peace. That's how yoga can connect the people. That's how yoga can connect the countries. And that's how yoga can become a problem solver for all of us.